When I write learning objectives, I find the SMART principle very helpful. The SMART principle is not only good for writing learning objectives, it's actually very good for setting up objectives in any context, like business or in your work environment in other industries. So in SMART principle, S means specific. It means objectives need to be concrete. When you see the when you see the objective, you can visualize the learning outcome of the class period. M means measurable. It means you can measure or assess whether students reach the learning objective or not. A means attainable. It means objectives should fit the current level of children's development. Another word, it is developmental appropriate. In Vygotsky's theory, the objective should aim at the higher level of the proximal development zone. R means relevant. Every objective should be related to the bigger picture. Like a class period objective should relate to the unit period, a unit objective should relate to the semester objectives and the year objectives and so on. And T means time bound. Every single objective is time based. You always set up the time for the objective, like is it objective for one class or for a whole thematic unit or for a whole semester or for a whole year. So one example that fits the SMART principle is in kindergarten math. The objective can be students will be able to decompose number 10 into different piles at the end of the class period. So in this example, you will see it is specific. You can visualize what you want at the end of the class. It is measurable. You can simply let children decompose the number of 10 into different piles. It is attainable. This fits kindergarten children's math capability. It is relevant. It's actually part of the it's actually one objective derived from the Arizona kindergarten's math standard. And it is time bound. It's the objective for this class. Okay, thank you. I hope this is helpful.